It's on your plate, twirled around your fork, ready to be savored with every bite. Whether you're at a family dinner or a fancy restaurant, pasta is a dish that brings people together all over the world. It's swimming in your favorite sauce, creamy Alfredo, tangy tomato, or rich pesto. Pasta is endlessly versatile and always comforting. This simple food made from just a handful of basic ingredients like wheat, water, and sometimes eggs, has become a global superstar loved in countless cultures and cuisines. But have you ever stopped to wonder where that box of spaghetti actually comes from? How does it get from the field to your kitchen? The journey from a single grain of wheat to the finished noodle is a marvel of modern food science and engineering, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. This is big-time pasta production, a mind-blowing industrial process that feeds millions of people every single day across continents and cultures. Factories the size of football fields hum with activity, transforming raw ingredients into pasta with maximum efficiency. Every machine, every worker, and every step is part of a finely tuned system. Forget hand-rolled dough, we're talking silos of flour, mixers that knead thousands of pounds of dough at once, and powerful extruders that churn out miles of spaghetti every single hour, all with incredible precision. But before the machinery and the factories, it all starts in a field, under the warm sun, where golden wheat sways in the breeze waiting for harvest. The quality of your pasta is tied directly to the quality of the grain, planted, grown, and carefully harvested by dedicated farmers who know their craft. Every stage, from the farmer's field to the factory floor, plays a crucial role in making sure your pasta is perfect, delicious, consistent, and ready for your next meal. So grab a seat, let's follow the grain on its incredible journey, and uncover the secrets of industrial pasta making, from start to finish. The journey is long, filled with fascinating steps and careful craftsmanship, but every moment matters. Let's get started and see how the humble noodle becomes a global sensation. Great pasta starts with the right wheat, durum wheat, known for its exceptional hardness and beautiful golden hue. This unique grain is the foundation of authentic pasta, cherished by chefs and pasta lovers around the world. Durum wheat is packed with protein and gluten, giving pasta its signature bite and that satisfying, chewy texture we all crave. Its strength is what sets it apart from other types of wheat. Across vast golden fields, farmers carefully harvest the ripened durum wheat. Each kernel is collected with care, then loaded onto trucks and sent off to a special mill dedicated to transforming this precious crop. At the mill, the wheat isn't ground into fine flour like bread wheat. Instead, it's milled into coarse golden semolina, the magic ingredient that gives pasta its unique character and flavor. Semolina's coarse grind absorbs water slowly and evenly, preventing sticky dough and making it easier to work with. Its high protein content forms a strong gluten network, which is essential for pasta that holds its shape. That's why pasta made from semolina stays firm, holds its shape, and delivers that perfect al dente bite every time. It's the secret behind pasta's irresistible texture. Once milled, the semolina travels in giant trucks to the pasta factory, where it's stored in massive silos, ready for the next stage of its journey. Before any pasta is made, the semolina is rigorously tested for protein, moisture, color, and particle size. Every batch must meet strict standards to ensure only the best makes it to production. Only the highest quality semolina makes the cut. Quality control is non-negotiable. Any batch that doesn't meet the mark is rejected, ensuring consistency in every noodle. Using all-purpose flour instead of semolina would result in mushy, limp noodles. Definitely not what you want in a great pasta dish. The journey from field to flour is a careful process, combining tradition, science, and passion at every step. Now, with the finest semolina ready, the real factory magic begins. The transformation from grain to pasta is about to unfold. The right wheat, the right grind, and strict standards. These are the foundations of every great noodle, ensuring every bite is delicious and memorable. Next, it's time to make the dough, blending semolina and water to begin the creation of perfect pasta. In the heart of the factory, semolina flour meets its only partner, purified water. This simple union is the foundation of traditional dried pasta, and it all begins with the highest quality ingredients. For most dried pasta, that's it. No eggs, no oil, just science and precision. The purity of these two ingredients is what allows the true flavor and texture of pasta to shine through. The water-to-flour ratio is exact, usually around 30% water, to form a stiff, crumbly dough. Even a slight variation can change the texture, so accuracy is key. Industrial mixers, often vacuum-sealed, blend the ingredients, removing air bubbles that could weaken the pasta. This step is crucial for achieving the dense, uniform texture that defines quality pasta. The dough, resembling wet sand, is transferred to kneading machines with massive augers. These machines are designed to handle the tough, dry mixture that would be impossible to knead by hand. These machines develop the gluten, creating the strength and chewiness pasta is known for. The gluten network is what gives pasta its signature bite and resilience when cooked. Pasta dough is dense and firm, impossible to knead by hand. Only powerful machines can generate the force needed to bring the dough together. This low-moisture, stiff dough is essential for shaping. It holds its form under pressure, allowing for the creation of countless pasta shapes. Computers monitor every variable: temperature, mixing speed, and time. This high-tech oversight ensures that every batch meets strict quality standards, leaving nothing to chance. The result? A perfectly consistent dough, batch after batch. Consistency is vital, as it guarantees that every piece of pasta cooks evenly and tastes the same. Unlike bread, pasta dough is tough and compact, ready for the next step. Its density is what allows it to be shaped and dried without losing structure. The science here ensures every noodle cooks up just right. Each sample is tested for texture and bite, guaranteeing the perfect al dente result. The mixing and kneading process is the backbone of pasta quality. Without this careful preparation, the final product would lack the character and durability we expect from great pasta. Now it's time to give the dough its iconic shapes. Extrusion machines press the dough through bronze or Teflon dies, creating everything from penne to spaghetti. From humble ingredients to a perfect base, the transformation is underway. Each step honors centuries of tradition, now perfected by modern technology. Let's see how the dough becomes the pasta you know, ready to be cooked, sauced, and enjoyed around the world. With the dough ready, it's time for the most exciting part: shaping. Enter the extruder, a powerful machine that pushes the dense dough through a metal die. The die's shape determines the pasta: spaghetti, penne, macaroni, and more. Bronze dies create a rough texture that helps sauce cling. Teflon dies make pasta smoother and shinier. A rotating blade cuts the pasta to the perfect length as it emerges. For spirals like fusilli, the die and blade work together to twist the dough. For shapes like lasagna or farfalle, the dough is rolled into sheets, then cut or stamped. Each shape requires its own die and cutting mechanism, allowing factories to produce hundreds of varieties. The pressure and precision here are key to perfect pasta. Every noodle is uniform, thanks to this high-tech process. The variety is endless, but the method is always about consistency. Shaping is where pasta's personality comes to life. From classic spaghetti to creative new forms, it all starts here. Next, we lock in that perfection. Shaped pasta isn't ready for the box. It's still fresh with high moisture. To make it shelf-stable, it must be dried with precision. Conveyor belts carry the pasta into giant drying chambers where low heat and controlled humidity work their magic. First, a pre-drying phase forms a thin skin to prevent sticking. Then, the pasta enters main drying chambers, where temperature and humidity are cycled for hours, or even days for some shapes. This slow, careful drying prevents cracks and ensures perfect texture. Thin noodles dry quickly, thick shapes take much longer. Slow-dried means quality. Moisture is reduced to about 12.5%. Once dried, pasta is stable for years, ready for your pantry. The drying process is the secret to pasta's long shelf life and perfect bite. Now, it's time for the final factory steps. After drying, the pasta must cool before packaging to prevent condensation and spoilage. Cooling conveyors circulate dry air, bringing pasta to room temperature and evenly distributing moisture. Next, quality control. Human inspectors and high-tech machines check for cracks, spots, and imperfections. Optical sorters scan each piece, instantly removing any that don't meet standards. Packaging is fast and precise. Machines weigh and fill boxes or bags, seal them, and print production codes. Robotic arms pack boxes onto pallets, wrap them, and send them to warehouses. From there, pasta ships to distribution centers and grocery stores worldwide. Every step is about efficiency, safety, and consistency. The journey from grain to grocery shelf is nearly complete. Industrial pasta making is a marvel of modern engineering. Next, let's see how pasta is evolving for today's world. Pasta isn't stuck in the past, innovation is everywhere. Whole wheat pasta uses the entire wheat kernel, boosting fiber and nutrients. Gluten-free pastas made from corn, rice, chickpeas, and more cater to dietary needs. Food scientists blend flours and add gums to mimic traditional pasta's texture. Factories also fortify pasta with extra protein or infuse it with vegetables for color and nutrition. New shapes and sizes are designed with advanced computer modeling. Even 3D printing is being explored. These innovations keep pasta exciting and accessible for everyone. Whether you want more nutrition, new flavors, or fun shapes, there's a pasta for you. The future of pasta is as creative as its past. Pasta's world is full of fascinating facts. There are over 350 distinct pasta shapes, and more than 1,300 names for them. Italy leads the world in both pasta consumption and production, with the average Italian eating over 50 pounds a year. Pasta-shaped names often describe their form. Spaghetti means little strings, penne means quills, and farfalle means butterflies. October 25th is World Pasta Day, a global celebration of this beloved food. Pasta's journey from simple dough to international icon is remarkable. Its variety, history, and universal appeal make it a staple in kitchens everywhere. For many, every day is Pasta Day. It's simple, comforting, and endlessly versatile. We've followed pasta from wheat fields to factory floors and finally to your kitchen. Every step, mixing, shaping, drying, and packaging, ensures the pasta you cook is safe, delicious, and consistent. The next time you boil spaghetti, remember the science and engineering behind every bite. Industrial efficiency meets home-cooked comfort in every box. Pasta's story is one of transformation and ingenuity, feeding millions around the world. So as you twirl your next forkful, appreciate the journey from field to fork. From humble grain to culinary icon, buon appetito. Enjoy your pasta adventure.